I got scratches making me itch.
Hi, welcome to Learn Tricky French with Simpy. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. The third question which asked in interview is: si vous étiez un animal, lequel seriez-vous et pourquoi? Si vous étiez un animal, lequel seriez-vous et pourquoi? If you were an animal, which one would you be and why? Before you answer this question, you have to follow some instructions. And the instructions are: Number 1. Do think about the type of job you are interviewing for before you answer. Number 2. Be prepared to tell the interviewer why you choose that animal. Number 3. Be creative and think outside the box, but be sure you make a connection between the animal and the job position. Number 4. Don't focus on why you love the animal so much. Number 5. Do focus on the characteristic of the animal and how they relate to the job. Number 6. Keep your answer simple. Number 7. Don't focus on the negative characteristic of the animal. Number 8. Don't choose an animal that will give the interviewer a bad impression of you. Number 9. Don't avoid the question or answer by saying you wouldn't want to be any animal. In order to make you clear, I have taken some examples. The first example that I have taken is dolphin. In French, dolphin is dauphin. Dauphin. So, the first answer is: si je pouvais être un animal, je serais un dauphin. Parce que j'aime communiquer avec les autres et travailler en équipe. The second example that I have taken is of octopus. In French, octopus is le poulpe. It's for masculine, okay? Le poulpe. And for feminine, la pieuvre. La pieuvre. Si j'étais un animal, je serais une pieuvre parce que je suis créative et innovante. Je ressemble à une pieuvre parce que mon intelligence est l'une de mes forces. The third one is a bird, un oiseau, un oiseau. Si j'étais un animal, je serais un oiseau parce que je suis créatif et innovant. Je suis semblable à un oiseau parce que je veux aussi voler comme un oiseau. Je veux voler dans le ciel. And the last example that I have taken is an aigle. Eagle in English, eagle, and in French, un aigle. And the answer is: si j'étais un animal, je serais un aigle. Car pour moi, les aigles sont forts d'esprit, agiles et toujours concentrés, sans oublier qu'ils sont les lettres dans le ciel. Okay, don't mention that they are the leader in the sky. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.